Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel and welcome to episode 3 of celebrity inspired jewelry designs. I adore Barkha Singh a lot, who is a famous Instagram's influencer. She is a traveler. I love her content. It's so fun, inspiring, and motivating. And I have also watched a lot of web series of hers, and I admire her a lot. And right now, when I was thinking that which celebrity I should have next, I just came through her profile and I was just scrolling through her profile to see if I can do any of her jewelry. I just found one earring that you can see here, which she has worn with a cute sari. There are these cute jhumkas. So again, that I have made inspired by her this look. So again, as you can see, these are not exact same, but these are the replica of that jhumkas that I have tried to make. So they're very easy to make, and it takes a little time because you need to attach these ghungroos to those jhumkas. So that's it, and but that's really worth investing that time. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make this kind of jhumkas at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And yeah, do let me know which celebrity uh, jewelry I should do next. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. See you. Let's and now without wasting time, let's get started.